how can Astro Vastu help us during this pandemic situation?
Very good question, Sangeet ji. Because see, first of all, if from a spiritual point of view, we look at this pandemic, why this has happened to humankind, is our some karmic wrong karmas also. So when we try to treat it, it shouldn't be only from a medical or a material aspect. It should be healed on a spiritual aspect also. So when all of my clients plus my followers who are there all over the world, when they ask me a question, what I tell them, I would like to share with our viewers. And see, when I tell them how to protect them, now medicine will come, vaccine will trial and error. It will take time. It's a wrong process. We want something which will protect my followers immediately. So what I tell, switch your gears from that medical point of view to spiritual thing. And our Sanskriti, Indian tradition has given very good capsulated form of knowledge in the form of mantras. So what I would want my viewers to listen to this very carefully is that there are two mantras which they should be doing as a standard prescription during this time. One is the Mahamrutyunjay mantra. It is the mantra of Shivji and it gives lot of protection. If if the person wears Rudraksh along with it, it definitely increases, multiplies the effect of protection that the person is going to get. So, avartan or repetition of Mahamrutyunjay mantra, starting from 11, 21, whatever a person can do, will give lot of protection to people. And secondly, the Gayatri mantra, which is for good health. It should be done along with offering water to Lord Sun, and that also gives Sanmati. First of all, to come out of this situation, what the human race is doing to Mother Earth, इंसान की बुद्धि अच्छी होनी चाहिए, so that a good uh, it gives capacity to think in a right manner as well as good health, because God's son is the giver of good health. So these two mantras are something which people can do on their own, and but businesses are suffering and they want some immediate quick result. So now Vastu astrology takes longer time. We have designed certain products which will give quick impact to people, because people are in despair. They want something immediately to work for them. So something to wear on their body or something to keep with them, like yantras, are some products which are there which can be used and they will get lot of benefit from it, and tangible results can be seen immediately. So such remedies are definitely available in Astro as well as Vastu.
Very interesting. So we have good learnings here. Again, Pallavi, challenging times. People are losing jobs. There are relationship problems because you all are staying in a smaller house, 700-800 square feet. आपकी दौरानी भी साथ में, जेठानी भी साथ में, सास भी साथ में, कुछ नंद भी साथ में है। तो दोनों सवाल एक साथ में आपको पूछ रहा हूँ।
सवाल भी साथ में
वास्तु कैसे हेल्प करेगा मेरी जॉब की प्रॉब्लम को, because I've lost my job and I'm staying in a joint family, and we have webinars, we have online meetings, बच्चों भी आजकल सब ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं. So how can Vastu and how can the Astro your consultation help us in from a family life, from a professional life, from a job perspective?
Very, very relevant question in today's time, because see, if space is limited, I recommend people, means I already have clients. I have clients who have entire building as their house, and I have clients who have small apartments also there as their home. So when you use a particular corner in the house, say for northeast for studying, or southwest corner, even if it's a bedroom and you get a small desk place there, you face a correct direction, say for example north or east, and sit there and do your work, you would realize the concentration is more. Okay, whatever that limited number of hours you are going to sit there and do your work, you will be totally focused on your work, and this people need to experience. So I advise people to use these particular zones in the house as per Vastu. And as far as relationships are concerned, okay, and just to add to that, we put something, say for example crystal or pyramid over there, or hang a rudraksh in that area, so that the energy remains purified. Because what is required in today's time is positive energy to stay positive in spite of whatever the environment is there outside. For that, all these external things help apart from using the internal energies of that space. This is the answer to your first question, which is what they can do in a limited space of house.
Correct.
Secondly, the relationship. Because what I have observed, even very rich people, I have been a Vastu consultant and astrologer for billionaires. Okay, I have observed that when they come to us, the concern is never money. It is relationship most of the time because they
Correct.
are very, very successful. Many people are very successful financially. But when it comes to relationship, it requires different skill set to manage that. And our sciences, through stotras, through mantras, through meditation, they empower a person to have better human relationship because life will be worthwhile and satisfactory only when human relations are good.
Very
And
interesting.
there is nothing to beat astrology in that. I advise certain, see, for harmony between a couple, certain stones or certain crystals give very good results. Say, for example, pink rose that crystal is there, which is good for relationship, and it's not very expensive also. If they have budgets, I advise the real gemstones. When they wear that, the harmony between the couple or between the child and mother or between Derani Jetani, Saas Bahu, what we typically see on the this thing. See, I'm wearing a Rudraksh, which is Gauri Shankar, which is a joint Rudraksh. It is very, very good for relationship and the harmony in relationship, even between the business partners. See, businesses are also in this situation, there are splits in the businesses also.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so for business
Our
partners also,
system is
we
there.
advise these products and it touches your body. It has to touch your body so that it has impact on your chakras. And it is not only a belief, it is a science. Because IIT Kharagpur has included Vastu in their architectural curriculum. It had come in the Times of India also. So all these are very, very scientific remedies which can be done immediately and immediate tangible result can be seen out of it. So in relationship also, Vastu and astrology gives very good result. And one more point to be noted by our viewers is southwest corner is particularly for stability and good relationship. So putting a picture of a person with whom you want a good relationship in that corner gives stability to
This
the
is
relationship. Yes. So like that, many remedies are there which can be given
very
to our
interesting.
clients.
We will love to talk about this. And do you have some kind of videos and some kind of brief kind of whatever you call those tips rather?
People can like my YouTube channel, which is Vastu with Pallavi Desai, and my presence is there on Facebook as a Facebook page, Vastu with Pallavi Desai again, and Insta also.
Very good.
So I'm there present on all digital media.